Okay, so good morning, class. Okay, Reggie, can you please lead opening prayer? Okay, thank you, Reggie. Okay, class, please remain standing. Let's have a first energizer.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then you surely want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, then you surely want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, nod your head. If you're happy and you know it, nod your head. If you're happy and you know it, then you surely want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, nod your head. If you're happy and you know it, say ha ha, ha ha. If you're happy and you know it, say ha ha, ha ha. If you're happy and you know it, then you surely want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, say ha ha, ha ha. If you're happy and you know it, do a walk. Ha ha. If you're happy and you know it, do a walk. Ha ha. If you're happy and you know it, then you surely want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, do a walk. Ha ha.
Okay, so thank you, class. So I'm glad to say that everyone present for today. Okay, so for now, for lesson outcomes, at the end of the lesson, the learners will be able to find the volume of rectangular prism using a formula and identify the volume, have a better awareness of why they need to use the volume equation of length times width times height. So for lesson opener, name and color this shape. Okay, class? Okay, so before we going to start our lesson, um, what was our lesson last time? Who want to answer? Okay, Gladys. Okay, very good. Last meeting, we discussed about getting the volume of solid using non-standard formula. So, how did you get the volume using the non-standard units? Who want to answer? If you want to answer, raise your hands. Okay, Reggie? Okay, very good. By multiplying the rows, column, and layers. Okay. So, what the volume of this box? Okay, very good, class. The volume of the box is 27 cubic units. Okay. Why 27 cubic units is the answer? Because volume equals rows times column times layers. Volume equals 3 times 3 times 3. Volume equals 27 cubic units. Okay, class? Okay. I will show you a picture. Okay? Okay, Jean, what do you see in the picture? Okay, very good. Rectangle. Next, Dea. Okay, very good. Square. And the last one is parallelogram. These are the example of quadrilateral. Okay, so I will show you again a picture. Okay, how many faces has that elephant? Okay, only one. How about the cat? Okay, Gawason. Okay, very good. Only one. How about your face? Okay, only one also. Okay. So, do you think this box has a face? Yes, because in mathematics, face does not mean a literal face. It refers to the sides of a solid figure, and this box has 6 faces because it has 6 sides. Okay, class? This is what we call a rectangular prism. Okay? Next, for our lesson, the volume of rectangular prism using a formula. Now, let's recall what a volume is. Okay? Volume is the amount of piece a solid figure occupies. Okay, class? Right now, let's go back to rectangular prism. Okay? Why do you think it's called rectangular prism? Why? Because a rectangular prism is a solid figure that has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices, and it has a length, width, and the height. Okay? So, do you understand what is prism is? Okay, very good. Now, do you have idea how to get a volume of this box? And getting the volume of rectangular prism, class, you must follow the formula, okay? Please listen. Okay, class? So, for formula, volume equals length times width times height. First, you should identify the given facts. Okay? So, what is the length? 4 centimeters. The width, 3 centimeters. And for the height, they have 2 centimeters. Okay. So, after identifying your formula, you need to substitute the numbers to have a formula or to the formula. Okay? Volume equals length times width times height. Volume equals 4 centimeter times 3 centimeter times 2 centimeters. So, the answer is 24 centimeters cubic. Okay? So, how about this one? What the volume of the rectangular prism? So, this is the answer. Volume equals length times width times height. Volume equals 5 centimeter times 4 centimeter times 3 centimeter is equals to 60 centimeter cubics. Okay. So, how about this? Again, you need to write the formula. So, volume equals length times width times height. Okay? So, volume equals 3 times 3 meter times 2 meter. Okay? So, volume equals 18 meter cubics. Okay. So, let's do this. Length equals 9 meters, width 7 meters, and height 11 meters. So, this is the answer. Volume equals length times width times height. Next, volume equals 9 meter times 7 meter times 11 meters. Volume equals 693 meters cubic. Okay. So, let's wrap up. Volume is the amount of the space a solid figure occupies. A rectangular prism is a solid figure that has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices, and it has length, width, and height. Okay, class? So, get one whole sheet of paper and answer this activity. I will give you a 20 minutes, okay? So, for your activity, for test 1, find the volume of each rectangular prism. Okay, class? So, test 2, decide which volume of rectangular prism and give the formula of the problem. Okay, class? So, I think everybody's done. Before you pass your paper, you need to answer first this activity, okay? Okay, class, please pass your paper if you already done to answer this activity, okay? Okay, class, so for let's create, Jacob builds a rectangular prism that measures 4 cm by 15 cm by 8 cm. He then builds a second prism with a volume equal to the 1/2 of the original prism. What might the dimensional of second prism must be? This is for let's create. Okay, class? Did you understand our lesson? Okay, thank you, class. So for now, the discussion for now is finished. So let's stand for the closing prayer. Okay, Miss Kanyal, can you please lead closing prayer? Okay, thank you, class. Okay, thank you